In today's world, how people perceive each other is heavily influenced by their appearance. While the media often links beauty with expensive items and fashionable clothing, there are cost-effective ways to enhance attractiveness without spending a lot. Understanding attraction psychology and applying simple yet powerful techniques can boost everyone's appearance and confidence. Let's explore 12 such methods that are affordable and accessible to all.
Number 1. Cheek enhancement.
Improving facial structure can greatly enhance overall attractiveness. One effective method is cheek contouring, where the cheeks are tucked in slightly to define facial features. Celebrities often use this technique to create a sculpted look. To try cheek contouring, lightly suck in your cheeks for a few seconds. This will give your face a more angular appearance and highlight its natural contours. Experiment with different angles and expressions to find the most flattering look for your specific face shape. Number 2. Tongue placement technique. Developed by a British orthodontist, this technique focuses on tongue and mouth placement to enhance facial lines and symmetry. By breathing through the mouth and keeping the tongue in the lower part of the mouth, people can achieve a more balanced facial profile. Practice this technique by consciously keeping your tongue in the lower part of your mouth throughout the day. This can help define facial structure and maintain a strong jawline. Good posture can further enhance the effects of this technique by promoting proper alignment. Number 3. Dressing for your skin tone. Choosing clothing colors that complement your skin tone can enhance your natural beauty and radiance. Whether you have warm or cool undertones, selecting the right colors can make a significant difference. For warm skin tones, option for earthy hues like browns and oranges. These colors will complement your complexion and create a cohesive look. Cool skin tones can be enhanced with colors like blues and purples, which complement the skin's undertones. Number 4. Improving posture. Proper posture not only affects physical appearance but also communicates confidence and poise. Slouching can make you appear smaller and less confident, while standing or sitting up straight can instantly boost confidence and attractiveness. To improve posture, maintain a straight spine, lifted chest, and relaxed shoulders. Imagine a string pulling you up from the top of your head to lengthen your spine and create space between each vertebra. Strengthening core and back muscles through exercise can also promote proper posture. Number 5. Creating facial symmetry. Humans are naturally drawn to symmetry, so creating the illusion of facial symmetry can enhance attractiveness. Flattering eyewear and hairstyles help balance asymmetrical features and create a more harmonious look. Experiment with hairstyles that frame your faces and highlight your best features. Choose eyewear that complements your face shape and emphasizes your eyes. Paying attention to these details can enhance overall attractiveness and create a more balanced appearance. Number 6. Confidence in body language. Confidence is an attractive quality, and body language plays a significant role in conveying it. Standing with confidence, such as adopting a parallel stance with feet close together, can convey power and self-assurance. To exude confidence, focus on keeping shoulders back, chest lifted, and head held high. Avoid crossing arms or slouching, as these gestures can make you appear closed off and insecure. Open and expansive body language can convey confidence and have a positive impression on others. Number 7. Deliberate movement. Slow and deliberate movement can convey confidence, control, and presence, all of which are attractive qualities. Instead of rushing through tasks or acting nervously, take your time and move with intention. Pay attention to gestures, facial expressions, and body language and aim for deliberate movements. This will not only make you appear confident and composed, but also allow others to appreciate your presence and charisma fully. Number 8. Prioritizing blood circulation. Optimal blood circulation is essential for healthy skin and overall well-being, which can significantly impact appearance. Regular physical activity, proper skin care, and a healthy lifestyle can enhance blood circulation and skin attractiveness. Incorporate exercises like brisk walking, jogging, or cycling into your routine to improve blood circulation. Exercise promotes cell renewal and regeneration by supplying oxygen and nutrients to the skin. Additionally, practice good skincare habits to maintain skin health and vitality. Number 9. Simplified skincare routine. Skincare doesn't have to be complicated or expensive to be effective. A minimalist skincare routine focusing on gentle cleansing, moisturizing, and sun protection can yield better results than using multiple products. Start with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt and impurities without stripping the skin's natural oils. Follow up with a lightweight moisturizer to keep skin hydrated and supple throughout the day. Remember to apply sunscreen daily to protect your skin from UV damage and premature aging. Number 10. Enhancing with accessories. Accessories can add the finishing touch to any outfit and elevate overall appearance, whether it's a statement watch, a chic belt, or stylish sunglasses. Carefully chosen accessories can enhance your look and make you stand out. When selecting accessories, consider your personal style and the overall aesthetic you want to achieve. Choose items that accentuate your best features and complement your outfit without overpowering it. Invest in timeless pieces that can be worn with many different outfits and will always stay in style. Number 11. Fragrance appeal. Fragrance is an essential part of grooming that can greatly influence overall attractiveness. Incorporating a pleasant scent into your grooming routine can leave a lasting impression and contribute to your overall appeal. Choose a fragrance that suits your style and personality, whether it's a fresh, citrusy scent for daytime or a warm, sensual scent for evening wear. A well-selected fragrance can evoke positive feelings and memories in those around you, enhancing your personal style and grooming routine. Number 12. Hygiene and smiling. Good hygiene practices and smiling are simple yet powerful ways to enhance attractiveness. Regular showers, dental care, and grooming convey cleanliness and self-care, which are universally appealing qualities. Smiling often exudes confidence, friendliness, and approachability, making you more likable and attractive. Prioritize good hygiene habits and make smiling a part of your daily routine. A genuine smile not only lights up your face but also creates a positive impression on others. By taking care of your hygiene and wearing a smile, you can effortlessly enhance your attractiveness and leave a memorable impression on those around you.